morning guys, hope you're all doing all right. I've got a big video today and I'm really sleepy if you couldn't tell. I've got my coffee, so hopefully in a little bit my eyes might widen, probably quite a lot. But I've got a massive to-do list today, so I thought I'd take you through a day in the life. I've got the day off, well I've got the week off, but today is my day of getting shit done because quite frankly I don't want to spend my whole week off cleaning the house and doing all that stuff. I want to play Minecraft, I want to go and see my friends. So today is Monday, I'm gonna get it all done today. I'm in a motivated mood, which rarely happens, so we've got to take that by the horns. I think that's the saying. Coffee's starting to hit, which is good, I can speak. I'm gonna be doing some gardening, I'm gonna be looking at my car, ugh, I hate doing that. Hoovering, cleaning, organising the office, putting some stuff on eBay, doing an EV order, so I really need to crack on. I mean, what's the time? It's just coming up to 8:30 now. I really should have got up earlier, but I really wanted to enjoy my lay-in, and I did. So now, coffee while we probably clean the kitchen while I'm in here, do it room by room, and work my way down my massive list. And I'm just gonna take you guys with me because, I don't know, I think you guys enjoyed my day in the life last time. I haven't done one for a while, and for once I've actually got so much on rather than just working 7 until 3 and then chilling out 4 until bed. So this might be a bit more interesting than my normal days. Coffee needs to sort this out. Right, I'll catch up with you in a second. I think we're quickly going to clean the kitchen and then maybe I'll talk you through my to-do list and we'll check things off as we go. Okay, right, hopefully this motivates you because I love watching videos like this because it does really motivate me, but I'm there at the moment, so let's go. Okay, that is job 1 done, thank God. Right, I hate that. I literally cannot wait to get a dishwasher when we do the kitchen, which I might show you actually now our plan and talk you through it because I haven't actually spoke about that, I don't think. I was going to do a whole video, but life got busy and I just haven't. So if you want that, let me know. I can probably grab together some old footage and then obviously I'll probably film everything anyway just because I'm so excited about it. But yeah, I'll quickly show you that and then I think I'm going to put a wash on, which is where we're going anyway, and then I'll refer back to my to-do list to see what other rubbish we have to do today, because these are the things I'm trying to get the stuff done that I don't want to do first, which I always find is the best way if you've got a big to-do list. Get everything that you're dreading out of the way and then the rest of the day is like, oh, I can do this, it's all good, like, oh, I don't mind doing that, like gardening and stuff I'm excited for. Leave that till later, though I might regret it because at the moment it's lovely and sunny. So I might have to do that after I do the washing just because of weather. But you get the drift. Okay, right, I'm gonna show you our soon to be kitchen. And I say soon, it might be months. You just don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick house tour just because I haven't showed you guys the house yet. We're renovating it and it's gonna be awesome. So we are currently in the hallway and that goes up to the bedrooms and stuff. And through here is our current kitchen. This is going to be a bathroom. There is a bathroom in there, we just need a door. Right, and through there you've got our living room. And this is the bit that I want to show you though. This is our current kitchen. Ignore all the mess, because obviously that's what I'm doing today. It's a lovely little retro kitchen and I love it, apart from the oven, which I absolutely hate. But it's really cute, I love the style of it. If it was my house, I probably would keep it and maybe, I don't know, add to it. But you can see we've got a massive wall here. Now this wall's actually going to be taken down because it goes through to our old utility and then my dad's bedroom. There you go. So you can see this line here is where the utility room was, but we've knocked it down. And these are covering up some massive windows, so it's a bit dark in here. And you can see this stud wall, that's going to be our new utility, obviously. Let me show you from this angle, it might be a bit easier to see. So currently we're in the new utility room, which is going to have like a big cupboard over there, cabinets all along here with a sink and everything and storage up top. So loads and loads of storage. My chest freezer is going to be here, which will be so nice. And then this is going to be our new kitchen. So we're going to knock that wall down. Where the kitchen is now is probably going to be like a dining area, so like a nice kitchen table. And then through here we're going to have the kitchen. So along this wall, it's really difficult to film. Let me just set you down. I really need someone filming for me. It's very difficult to, I don't know if you can see me at all, to explain because it isn't a big room. No, it isn't a small room, but for filming purposes it is quite awkward because when you film it zooms in. So this wall is going to be, so we're going to have the fridge here, which is our fridge through there. So it's going to be a massive fridge with cupboards over top. Floor to ceiling cupboards all the way down there until the end of the kitchen. And then in this corner at the moment we're thinking it's going to be a massive pantry. It's like a corner one that you can walk into. And then, yeah, so the pantry's going to go there. And then on this wall, which obviously will be covered up, but that through there is the utility, is going to have double ovens, more storage. We're thinking, at first we were thinking 2 ovens, one on top of another. But we went to the Wren showroom literally like a couple of days ago, day before last. And a lot of them are doing them side by side, which honestly makes sense because you're not bending down at all. They're all at eye level, which makes it a lot more safer. So I think we're going to do that, and we're just going to scrap, because we were going to have like a little bit of countertop next to the ovens, but we're going to have a massive island as well. So I don't think we need the countertop. I think it makes more sense just to put 2 ovens side by side, and then probably floor to ceiling cupboards again. We're going to have so much storage. It's going to be amazing. And then obviously, this is really difficult to film. Massive island in the middle, which is going to be awesome, and we're thinking maybe put the hob on there, but we're not 100% sure yet. We need to talk to the Wren people and basically design it properly once we get this wall out. And then on this is the outside wall. So like I said, these are the windows, which will be fitted in about 3 weeks. So at the moment they're just a big hole, hence why they're covered up. And along there is actually going to be countertops, maybe some wall cupboards. I don't think, no, actually no wall cupboards, there's no room because of the windows, I remember now. Yes, so along this wall we're going to have countertops. I can put you down actually because you're hurting my arm. Yeah, and then along this wall we're going to have countertops all the way along with a sink, dishwasher, which I cannot wait for. I cannot wait, it's like my most excited thing. And then that goes all the way along through until you hit the dining area. So it's going to sort of end all at the same point, and then we'll have a nice big round table in the current kitchen bit with like nice, yeah, and then all my, a big wall of like cookbooks and stuff, which I'm really excited for. And then, like I said, massive island in the middle with a breakfast bar, which is so cool. I really want a breakfast bar. Whenever I have breakfast, I don't particularly want to go and sit in the living room or anything. I just want to perch there, go on my phone and my iPad. Yeah, so I'm really excited for breakfast bar. I think it will suit us really well, and make better use of the space, because at the moment we go in the kitchen, do everything, there's a massive space in here, and then we walk out because you can't really use the space for sitting and eating or anything like that. So we're trying to make them all multi-function rooms. Obviously there's only a couple of us living here at the moment, so we've got plenty of room, but we just want to make sure that we're using the space that we've got, because we are very blessed. We do have so much space, and I'm fully aware that this is bigger than quite a lot of houses out there. My dad's worked bloody hard for it, so it's nothing to be ashamed of. I shouldn't be embarrassed. He's, yeah, worked his butt off, frankly. So I think he deserves a really nice house. Yeah, so that is the kitchen idea, and I will take you along with me. I really need to get my together and basically plan a video to show you guys the kitchen transformation, because I think it's going to be really cool. It's going to be a big drastic change. And it's the room that I'm most excited for obvious reasons. So I'm going to shut up because I've been talking to you for ages, and I might insert some drawings now just to show you guys, because I know seeing on video like this it's quite difficult to get your head around like the layout and everything, and I hate it when they don't show you a floor plan, so I'm going to show you a floor plan. Okay, so I've just done a quick drawing of what our new kitchen is going to look like. This is where the kitchen is at the moment. And then this is where the wall is that I was talking about. So we're going to knock that out, and this is the stud wall that we've got. We've got the utility room here, and then the kitchen. So I've done a little floor plan with everything to explain it. This will be the floor to ceiling shelves with all the cookbooks on, nice round table with loads of chairs, floor to ceiling cabinets, probably put the kettle over there, maybe put the hob there, we're not 100% sure. And obviously this is the breakfast bar. In here we've got a walk-in cupboard, so that'll probably be where the hoover and everything is, and the mop. And then we've got countertops with cupboards above and below that. We've got the tumble dryer and washer on themselves, which you probably just saw in the video. And then chest freezer, walk-in pantry. Yeah, I think everything else is quite self-explanatory. This is the door that I came from, so through here is the living room, like I said. And you come through into our current kitchen, and then obviously, yeah, the wall and everything. Okay, I hope that makes sense. And I'm also going to put a Pinterest board thing up here, which is what we're thinking style-wise. We're still thinking about it, it might change, but that's the vibe we're going for at the moment. Like I said, we're going to go back to Ren and talk to them and hopefully get it all planned out and get some photos done, like, yeah, so that we can really visualize it. But we need to basically get the windows in next 3 weeks, get that wall up, get the utility room in so that we have a working utility that we can obviously keep as a dust-free zone for making food for a couple of weeks or a week while the kitchen gets fitted, so that we haven't got to worry about clearing up for dinner and that kind of thing, because that's going to be stressful. So, and then we'll take this wall out and then we'll be able to see, get a proper idea of the feel of the space, because it is a really big space. Like I said, we're very lucky, but we just want to make sure that we're maximising our space and not wasting it. Okay, right, I will shut up now. Sorry, I keep saying that. Coffee is hitting in, so I need to go drink a bit more. And then we're going to put a wash on. That's it. Okay. Right, I feel like so far, so good. It is... Hey Google, what's the time?
It's 8:52 a.m.
8:52, 20 minutes. We've already done like 3 or 4 of our jobs. So I'm going to put the recycling out. I'm going to sort out my plants. I've got 3 lavender plants to go outside the front door. And then, if we zoom through the messy... Oh dear. Climb over everything. Through here, we've got some more plants. I've got a herb. So I've got a couple of herbs. I've got chives and thyme that I want to put in the garden, and then I need to get some grow bags sometime this week for my tomatoes and my aubergine plant. So we'll sort these out as well. Look at the mess. That's my crochet station. Very nearly done with my blanket. There we go. So obviously I'm going to tidy this room up as well, because it is just a little bit messy from last night. Right, let's take this out. Another job done. Now on to the plants. It is typically tipping it down now. I think it might have stopped just slightly, so I'm going to quickly do the plants and then they're all done. Right, Jack's on his way back. He's just taking his car to the garage because he's having car problems, and I just want to make sure the house is nice and tidy for when he gets back so that he doesn't have to stress out. So he is working from home, so he'll be upstairs, but I thought I'd quickly do the living room, then it's done, I don't have to worry about it, and then we'll do the plants, and I'm very excited. Hopefully get them outside. It's really rainy, but they'll be fine. Right, let's quick tidy up. Everyone hates tidying their house, but honestly, if you just do like a quick 10 minutes blitz, it actually makes a big difference. There you go, 6-7 minutes later and the living room is pretty much tidy. It's a lot better than it was before, just neatening the sofas and stuff, and that just makes it feel a lot cleaner. I'm also going to give it a quick dust and a hoover. But I need to grab everything first. Why am I out of breath? I need to turn the heating off. It is hot. There we go, so another job done. Oh, and the sun's coming out. So obviously there's still a lot to do out here. We've got to build a deck in and everything, but the plants are ready to grow. There we go, my nice little herb garden. Got my rosemary, my chives, thyme, mint, and then over here I've even got some sunflowers. Little 4 of them. Quite cute. Quite happy with that. Right, time for another tea break, I think. There we go. I've done quite a lot so far, to be honest. I've just got to sow all my seeds now for my lettuce, salad, all that stuff, and some basil as well. And then we'll be on to, I think, some stuff upstairs. Okay guys, I think I'm going to call it a day there. It is, I think, like 1:30 or something. I've just had lunch and I'm feeling really sleepy and really tired. My back's starting to really hurt because I have bad back problems anyway, and I just haven't stopped today, which is good because I've got pretty much everything done that I needed to do this week. Really tired. And yeah, now the house is pretty much really tidy. I can just chill out for the rest of the week, potter around. I've got a few other jobs that I need to get done, but I can just do them here and there as and when I want to, rather than feeling like I've got all this stuff on my shoulders that I need to get done. I haven't anymore. So feeling really good, feeling really positive. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna go and play Minecraft for a little bit, have a cup of tea, like my 3rd or 4th cup today. And yeah, just take some time to relax, I think. Okay, thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in the next video.